చెప్పరా
टिकट्स ग्रुप में डाल दिया. अरे विल गो स्टेप्स. No, coming now. You won't fit into it. So I'll go. We'll go take the order.
Go ahead.
Okay, it's coming.
No, you can go. 2 ఫ్లోర్లు ఒక నిమిషంలో వస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ మెట్లు దిగుతావారా అంత దూరం పోయి? ఎట్లా పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ రావాలంటే పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ లా ఉండాలి, బాలకృష్ణలో ఉండవు. తీసా చల్
దాన్ని ఎడిటింగ్ చేసి పవన్ కళ్యాణ్
చిపాడేస్తా చల్
చూపించు.
ఇప్పుడు
So, Pawan Kalyan is here.
Balakrishna, he means. So, anyways, we are in Comfort Inn. You saw that clip earlier, and we did not have time. I want to show you the room. Once I come back from Statue of Unity, I will show you the room. But the problem is, it is overbooked. Statue of Unity mein laser show hai, and then we have visiting the floors, right? So it is already overbooked. And we are in a hurry because आज का कोटा होने वाला है खत्म वहाँ पे.
And then we automatically will be rushing into our beds.
Before that there are a lot of things. ऐसा ही बोलते हैं. But anyways, so we are going there now. I am only taking a phone and a 360 cam. That's all. We don't know what it is like, right? So that's that. Let's go there and we'll find out.
Where are you, fella?
These people went out. Both of our friends, they came here. Okay. Sure. నంబర్ నీ దగ్గర ఉందా? So we are actually not taking the bikes to Statue of Unity because
Tushal, right?
The travel guide here at Comfort Inn, they suggested that the bikes will be parked 5 kilometers away and we have no Opika to walk so long, so we put the bikes at the Comfort Inn and we are comfortably going in. So that's that. Oh, yeah, auto. That is the auto. It is going in for us and we are coming out. But anyways, we'll go to Statue of Unity, either the parking or near the statue itself. So we'll decide on the way and we'll see what can be done.
Il m'a dit t'es où, je te rejoins au tel. Moi je m'en bats les reins, j'ai besoin d'un vrai job. Il a vu mes copines, je crois qu'il a flashé. Je suis pas tout blanc bête, à m'appeler le fessé. Je réponds à tes appels, tu crois que je vais la fesser. Moi je m'en bats les reins, j'ai besoin d'un vrai job. Trop tard, je suis trop loin pour toi. Trop tard, je suis trop loin pour toi. T'es la plus bonne de mes copines. À mes copines, à mes copines. Tu veux la plus bonne de mes copines. À mes copines, à mes copines. Tu veux que bombarder, bombarder. Tu veux que bombarder,
One eternity later.
So we are here at Statue of Unity, and
वो तो बस में ही जाना बोल रहे हैं
we are here at Statue of Unity, and we came close.
So there is an entry there, right?
Yeah,
And this bus is for?
buses for go to dam and zoo.
Okay,
Oh, okay.
thank you. So anyways, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai. So usually what happens is, these are buses for some zoo and dam and something, and these are also free buses from that first checkpoint that we had earlier there and to here. So that is what the bus is for. Let's go inside. I'll give you a closer.
పిక్చర్ తక్కువ ఉండాలా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా?
అది ఫ్రేమ్ రేట్ 30 పెట్టుకో, 24 అంటే స్టాండర్డ్ ఇది. సో ఎనీవేస్ we just had frisking by CISF. My friend was asking why CISF ఎందుకని అడిగాడు. Obvious reasons కదా. I'll just walk you through this, man. I will walk you through this complex. I mean, wherever I go, wherever I get to go. Oh my God! Look at that! Oh my God, man! Real.
Mais tu veux la plus bonne, tu veux la plus fraîche, mais qui est la plus bonne de mes copines, oh mes copines, oh mes copines. Mais tu veux la plus bonne de mes copines, oh mes copines, oh mes copines. Tu veux que bombarder, bombarder. Tu veux que bombarder, bombarder. Tu veux la plus bonne, tu veux la plus fraîche, tu veux la plus bonne, tu veux la plus fraîche, tu veux la plus
ఎక్కుదామా? తీసుకెళ్ళి పెడతా.
Hey, hi.
లేనట్టు పట్టుకుంటే నేను కూడా ఇక్కడ. అయితే అసలు 360 అంటే నేను మీతో పాటు నేను
यहाँ से मैडम आपको फेस आ जाएगा. కొంచెం కూడా బాడీ నాకు కష్టపెట్టావా? You missed the sunset.
I've been recording time lapse of the sunset from here. But anyways, you got it right. I got it.
That's why I came first. Otherwise, you would have missed it. मैं आके बोल के ही कैमरा मैन को इधर देखा है कंटेंट
How and not.
Just let me know so I won't look you leave. Just let me know the interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me know so I won't look you leave. Just let me know the interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me know so I won't look you leave. Just let me know the interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me know so I won't look you leave. Just let me know the interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me know so I won't look you leave. Just let me know the interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me know so I won't look you leave. Just let me know the interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me know so I won't look you leave. Just let me look you leave. Just let me know the interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, you leave. Just let me